Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how count function work, and you will learn from this video how count ifs, count a, count blank, how they work separately. I have made an Excel file through which I will show you how it works, and I will also upload it in the below link so that you can practice at home. I hope if you practice watching my video, it will help you to grow your expertise on it. And I hope if you learn it, your work will be easy. If you apply this function, you need to apply this function in many cases. So I hope you will learn and you will watch end of the video. I guarantee you it will help you. This file had been made for a shipping company, which consists of order number, order dates, order year, state, customer type, account managers, order priority, product name, and so many things. So before going to start our tutorial, so what you have to do, you just mark it, all the Excel file, and then go Control Shift arrow down and go to the formula bar and then click create from the selection. So it will help you to select the data. So now okay, yes, replace is no. So then first of all we will see how count blank function work. So this is the use file. You see there are so many numbers and so many columns, rows are here. We will find out how many blank rows are here. So to do this, go there, press equal, then type count blank. You find the drop down menu, then select order priority, order, then press bracket close. So let's see. This is the magic of Excel. You see, there are in this huge file, it will be difficult to find out how many blank rows are here. So the count blank function will help you to find it out in a second. So this is very great things to learn. Now we will see how many shifts have been done, but it's a huge file. How we'll do it, how we'll count it. So let's see. So press equal, then count, and order date, shipping date. This is IP shipping date. Close down. Yes. So 137 shipping have been already done. So let's see how the magical work. It will be difficult to count each and every detail. So the count function has made it easier to find it out. Now let's see how many order we have placed and how many order have been placed through this over the year. So to do this, what we have to do, we have to press the equal, then count A, because then order number, then order number, press close down. Yes. So this is the magic of Excel file, that it will not take time to count the thousands and crore or million of data if you have. So it will take only a few seconds to bring the results. So now we will see something bigger and advanced level use of Excel. So this is the dashboard. I have already made it. So let's make it blank again. So this is blank so that you understand how it works. So before in this stage, we want to calculate and we want to know the order by state. So what we have to do, we have to press equal, then count ifs. This is the count ifs number. So press count ifs, so then state, we select the state, then the comma, and the state names, then bracket close down. Now see how it works. So this is the magic of the Excel. So now, yeah, there are three types of state in the whole Excel file. We have calculated only one, and if you are down, it will calculate automatically. And the graph is beside this graph. It is basically, I have made it. I will show you how to made this graphical presentations in a separate video. So let's see again how the COUNTIF function works. So here press equal, then COUNTIFs again, then customer type. Yes, this is the customer type, then press comma, then home office, press equal, then done. So this is the another graph. So if you arrow down, so it will be very heavy. So for making you better understanding, I'm doing it again in manually. So press equal COUNTIFs, yes, then customer type. So then customer types, then press equal, then corporate, press down. So see, so this is basically the magic of COUNTIFs and COUNTBLANKs functions. So you go through this video. I hope you learn something different. In the next video, I will show you how sum ifs and all about the sum function work. So for now, thank you for watching my video. I hope you have learned something, and I hope you will practice at home. Thank you.